Okay, I'll smile, but only for you. If only.
Call me a bitch! I ain't a bitch, son!
Next time, open your ears, because I didn't even call you a bitch, see?
Rowan, do the thug shake.
The what shake?
Do the thug shake.
What's that?
The thug shake.
I don't know what that is.
You might have some accurate hits, I'll admit that. But even if I fall down, I'm gonna get back up and keep going.
Fucking insane, bro. Oh my god.
I've been shot twice, and yet I still got back.
Oh!